Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Creator Alliance. So guys, point to note is that Creator Alliance, this is a platform set up by TikTok for users or content creators to withdraw their money. So if I come to my TikTok account over here, I'm not yet eligible to withdraw my money because my account doesn't make 100,000 followers. But I'll take you through the steps of how to withdraw money from Creator Alliance. And then step number 1 says accessing your account balance is key. So open up your TikTok and then click on the 3 dots located at the top right corner screen. And then verify the income details and then add your payment method. So adding your payment method, you can choose PayPal for this case. Alright then, after doing that, link your PayPal to your TikTok account and then confirm your payment method. After doing that, guys, you can go ahead and then transfer your funds through the engagements and any other things that you get from your TikTok live and other things, guys. So guys, that's it for me today. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.